I am here to explain you mass and energy balance equation over a distillation column. So here is a distillation column in which we are charging a mixture of A and B. The amount of the feed is given by F. Xf is the weight fraction of A in feed and HF is enthalpy of feed. Now here liquid is converted into what? Vapor, and that vapor will comes on the top. Here V1 is the amount of vapor, its enthalpy is given by H1 and weight fraction of A in vapor is given by Y1. Here Qc is the amount of heat removed from the condenser, L0 is the amount of reflux, X0 is weight fraction of A in reflux, H0 is enthalpy of reflux, D is amount of distillate, XD is weight fraction of A in distillate, HD is amount of enthalpy of distillate. QR is amount of heat removed from the reboiler, W is the amount of waste, XW is weight fraction of A in waste, and HW is enthalpy of waste. Now if you will write material balance equation according to the law of conservation of mass, mass input is equal to mass output. So the overall material balance equation becomes mass input is F, that is divided into two parts. F is equal to D plus W. Now if we see the MBC balance, it will becomes F into XF is equal to D into XD plus W into XW. This will be the equation number 1 and this will be 2. Now if in equation 2 we will put the value of W, what it will becomes? F into XF is equal to D into XD plus, instead of W, what we have to write? F minus D. So XW will be there. Now if we simplify this equation, it will becomes like this. Now take this F containing term on one side, it will becomes like this. So if we will take F common in this, it will becomes F into XF minus XW is equal to D into XD minus XW. So for finding the value of D, what we can write? D is equal to F into XF minus XW upon XD minus XW. So using this equation, we can find the value of D for the distillation column. Now, if we will put the value of D instead of W in the second equation, it will becomes F into XF is equal to F minus W into XD plus W into XW. Now if we simplify this equation, what it will becomes? F into XF is equal to F into XD minus W into XD plus W into XW. Therefore, F into XF minus F into XD is equal to W into XW minus W into XD. Now here we can take F common, so it will becomes like this. F into XF minus F into XD will becomes F, if we are taking out, it will becomes XF minus XD, that is equal to W into XW minus XD. So for finding the value of W, what we have to take? Here it will becomes F into XF minus XD upon XW minus XD. So using this equation, we can find the value of W in this distillation column. So if we know the value of F and other values like XF, XD and XW, we can have overall material balance, and using that we can find the value of D and W. Now we can also take the energy balance equation. According to that, the law of conservation of energy, energy input is equal to energy output. So what we are assuming over here, no loss of heat whenever we are doing distillation. In practice it is not like that, but we have to assume over here, and in that case the equation will F into HF. Here HF is enthalpy of feed, that is equal to D into HD plus W into HW. After writing this, we have to consider, see what are the energy input here, where we are adding it in reboiler. So we have to write over here energy added in reboiler, that means the equation and where we are removing the energy, here in the condenser we are removing the energy. So energy output will becomes D into HD plus W into HW plus QC. We have to consider this QC over here and QR over here, because QR is the amount of heat added in the boiler and QC is the amount of heat that is removed in condenser. So this is the overall energy balance equation for a distillation column. Now we can also consider energy balance over the condenser. Mass balance over the condenser and overall material balance also on the condenser. So what it will becomes, V1 is equal to D plus L0. This will be the overall material balance over the condenser. Whatever V1 will comes here, it will be divided into two parts, L0 and D. So the equation is V1 is equal to D plus L0. Now if you will take MVC balance, what it will becomes, V1 into Y1 is equal to D into XD plus L0 into X0. Okay, this is the MVC balance. Now if we will take the energy balance, it will becomes V1 into H1. What is the energy input? V1 into H1, that is equal to D into HD plus L0 into H0 plus what is the amount of energy out? QC over here, over the condenser. So we have input V1 into H1 and output is L0 into H0 plus D into HD plus QC. Now here if we write equation for QC, what it becomes, V1 into H1 minus D into HD plus minus L0 into H0. What we have done, this 2 we have taken on this side, so it will becomes minus. Now for V1 what we can write, D plus L0. So here I will write D plus L0 instead of V1. H1 is already there, minus, see second thing what we have to assume here is H0 is equal to HD, because we both are from the same string. So H0 is equal to HD. So the equation will, what will be? It will be like this, okay? So what we can do, here we can take minus HD out. So what it will becomes, D plus L0. Now here also D plus L0, here also D plus L0. So that we can take out as common, and we have the equation H1 minus HD is equal to QC. This is the equation. Now if we will divide this equation by D on both the sides, what it will becomes, QC by D is equal to 1 plus L0 by D into H1 minus HD. This is the equation for energy balance over a condenser.